How to get paid with Shopify POS. Did you know you can accept payments with Shopify Point of Sale? Well, with Shopify POS, you can accept payments anywhere, anytime. You can also keep track of your inventory and sales from one centralized location. And the best part? Getting paid is easy peasy. In this video, we'll show you how you can get started with Shopify Point of Sale so that you can start accepting payments in your growing business. How to get started with Shopify payments. Getting started with Shopify Point of Sale is easy. Just click the link below and one of our merchant specialists will be happy to get you situated for Shopify POS payment processing. How to accept payments with Shopify Point of Sale. Now that you've set up your POS system, it's time to start taking payments. To do this, simply swipe or insert the customer's credit or debit card into the card reader. Once the payment is processed, the receipt will be automatically emailed to the customer. It's that easy. Shopify Point of Sale is a great way to take payments anywhere, anytime. With Shopify POS, you can keep track of your inventory and sales from one centralized location. Getting started is easy and accepting payments is a breeze. So what are you waiting for? Start using Shopify Point of Sale today and grow your business like never before. Click the link below to speak to one of our specialists and get your Shopify POS ready to take customer payments. And we'll see you there. I'm looking forward to talking to you. Yeah.